Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday. Today is February the 16th. We are out here in Acworth, Georgia. This is a new client. They found me last week, sent me pictures, the measurements. I never came out here to do an in-home consultation, so they booked this job off the information that they gave me. I gave them a price, and they say, let's do it. So my client, the mother, she actually set up the appointment to have this done, but her daughter's here who moved in. So what we're doing, guys, they have an engineered floor, got some type of residue on it. So we're doing a dry strip, and then we're gonna screen it and then recoat it. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so it's a beautiful day. Again, we are in Acworth, Georgia. It's a nice ranch home. Look like it has a basement, but we're just working on the main floor. So Tavares has already started dry stripping the floor. Then we're gonna screen it. So show you what we got going. All right. So we got this right here. Now we don't move furniture. They didn't have time to move the furniture, but they said this is where it's gonna stay. That's a piano, so we're gonna go around this. We also have this area right here. And then down this hallway. All right, guys. Stay tuned.
Acworth, Georgia. Small job. Big presence. Yeah. Client found me on Google. Watched the vids. Said I seen the work. That's who it is. Engineered floors looking tired and worn. Light wax kill, now they reborn. Screen it down, let it breathe real smooth. Fresh coat glide, watch the satin move. No loud hype, just quiet precision. Small space shine, but the craft still driven. Light wax gon' let the wood show through. Screen and recoat that Truman blue. Acworth vibes, clean and tight. Little job, but we do it right. Floors, restore calm. One more home, Truman strong. Truman strong.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Wrapping this job up. My client is very, very happy with the services. All right. All right, guys. Engineer floors, screen and recoat it. Oh, that looks so good. So good. Beautiful. All right, see, we're walking on it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Tomorrow will be off tomorrow. I'm gonna be moving myself. Well, I'm not moving myself, but we are moving. So we'll be off tomorrow and be back at it Wednesday. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Yep.